Hello, thank you for joining me today. The question here says, find the angles of trapezium ABCD below. Now, this is a trapezium ABCD. Why it is a trapezium? Because two opposite sides are parallel. The two opposite sides are parallel. So it's a trapezium. Now, for us to find this, let's look at these points D and C. We have this line going to the circumference from D. And then from C, we have this line going to the circumference at B to form angle 70. So these two lines from D and C form angle 70. In the same way, from D and C, we have these two lines going to another part of the circumference to form an angle here. Now, I want to believe you already know the theorem I'm going to. So these two angles must be equal. And what is the theorem? That angle in the same segment are equal. So that means this is 70 degrees because angle in the same segment are equal. Now, let's look at these parallel lines now. This line is parallel to this. So you agree with me that there's a Z angle here. Look at this parallel line like this. So the elbow points here and this elbow point here are alternate angles. So when you have parallel lines like this, then the Z angle like that form like that. These angles are alternate angles. So if this is 30, this is also 30 degrees because alternate angles are equal. And then now the next thing for us to do is to also look at these 2 points A and D. I have a line from A coming to C. I have another line from D coming to C, and the two of them form angle 30 degrees. Similarly, from the same point A and D, I have these two lines going to B to form an angle. And then they form this angle here at B. Now you agree with me that these two angles are also angled in the same segment and they are equal. So that means this is 30 degrees as well because angle in the same segment are equal. And then now finally, let's look at this triangle ABD. I have this full angle here, 30 plus 70. 70 plus 30 is 100. That is 100 plus, I have this angle here, 30. And then plus, let's call this angle here X. So plus X. The three angles, 100 plus 30 plus X in this triangle ABD, sum up to give 180 degrees because sum of angle in a triangle is 180. So this will give us 180. And from there, I can simply say X is equal to 180 is on this side. And then 100, when it comes to this side, it becomes minus 100. And then this plus 30, when it comes to this side, it becomes minus 30. And so from there, I can get X as equal to 180 minus 100 is 80. 80 minus 30 is 50. 50 degrees. So that means this angle here is 50 degrees. So that means if you look at this angle here too, you will agree with me that this is an alternate angle because this is a parallel line, this is a parallel line. So this forms an alternate angle like this. So if this is 30, this will also be 30 degrees. As you can see, alternate angles are equal. So from there now, we can now simplify and get the values of the angles of trapezium ABCD. Don't forget, we are asked to find the angles ABCD. So now I'll conclude by saying angle A of the trapezium is 30 plus 70, these two. So angle A is 100 degrees. Angle B, that is this place now, is 30 plus 70. Angle B is also 100 degrees. Now angle C, let's look at angle C now. Angle C will be equal to this point. Now, if you look at it critically, you agree with me that this point here can be obtained from this point here. Because looking at A and B, this point A and B, you agree with me that this form 50 degrees, and this also comes to C, it will form as well 50 degree. That means angle in the same segments are equal. So this angle here, which is 50, is in the same segment with this angle. So that means this point will be 50 degree. So from there, I can conclude by saying C is 30 plus 50, and that is angle C as 80 degree. And then finally, angle D will be equal to the same 50 plus 30, which is 80 degrees. So these are the values of the angles of trapezium ABCD as asked in the question. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, share, and join for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.